Steve from Crofton Yoga and Wellness, and today we're going to talk about box breathing. Box breathing is a technique that we use to help regulate our nervous system. It helps bring our body into a more balanced state. So if we've been agitated and upset and we're breathing really tense and tight and shallow, it helps open us up so that we calm down. If we've been breathing a little bit too shallow and haven't been taking big enough breaths and we're coming down, it helps us come back up and feel more like we're more ready for our day. So in a way of demonstrating this, I give you the box. Box, meet the people, people, meet the box. And so it's a terribly simple explanation, but it's very effective. So we're going to inhale to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we hold out 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's all try that together. And as a way of seeing what I'm doing, we're going to have the breath ball here. And so let's all give it a try together. Let's inhale for the count of 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold out 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold out 1, 2, 3, 4. One more round. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold out 1, 2, 3, 4. So I hope you like that little exercise. It's a nice way to relax the body and get you back into that more balanced place. So if you've been stuck in traffic and you need to relax, or you've been stuck in meetings and you need to give yourself that break, box breathing is an excellent way to do it whenever you need it. So please give it a try when you can. And if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe so that you'll get up to date with all our other videos. Hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.